right, so we're about to hike to Fern Canyon, but y'all be careful. Look at this sign. Be careful of mother deer. They will mess you up. All right, let's go. A lot of people, so maybe come early in the morning
or late
or later. Yeah. But beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Our feet are cold from walking in the water. Definitely wear sandals.
Yes, Chacos, Tivos, bedrocks.
Shabam, shabam. Welcome to Bandon, Oregon. We know nothing about this town, but it's dinner time.
Stop along the way.
It's what, 4:30 dinner time? We skipped lunch because we were driving.
Dinner time.
Yeah, pregnant. She eats whenever she wants. All right, it's food time.
Not vegan.
I ate chili in the car, like a sad vegan.
Is that what you ate? Oh, I'm sorry.
I did.
This is great. Aaron wins.
Veggie burger. So welcome to our little motel space. Should be pretty good. Literally all the stack rocks and everything are stones throw that way. So hopefully I'll get a little bit of drone footage and we'll show you the room.
Very basic.
And that's it. That's the room. it's got a wee potty. So not a huge room, but look at this. Alright, so I came down to get some drone shots because Elizabeth is a little tired, but man, look at this. So literally, you just walk up those stairs and right above that is where our motel is. Not bad. Alright, time to go check on the wife and do some laundry. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow.